Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have a kind of unboxing. These are online exclusive products that went live in March, and at the time that I placed my order, not everything was in stock because there was a slight delay on our delivery. It very complicated. It is currently when I've ordered these, they weren't in stock. When you're ordering them, everything is in stock. So these are the bits that I got. So I've got a mixture of just stamp sets, bundles, papers, and then ribbons. I can't remember if these are restocks or new, but I kind of suddenly went, ooh, I'm very short on ribbons in my drawer. So let me show you what I've got. So I've got Barbecue Master. My husband is a barbecue master, and he would do a barbecue whenever he could, if he could, all year round. So I got that specifically to make cards for him. So his birthday is in May, and Father's Day is in June, and our anniversary is in June. So I thought that's kind of good, that's covering him. But also one of my other sons is all into barbecuing now as well. On his birthday is April. So I got that. I got Forever Florals. I absolutely love the font. I think that's utterly delightful. But I also like the flowers too. So I got that one. Springtime Scenes. This one's bundled. I think most of these are bundled, but I didn't get the bundles. I just got the stamps. So Springtime Scenes. I like the ladybird. I love ladybirds. Let me find my ladybird. I love ladybirds. This is my Jelly Cat ladybird. Very sweet. Fauna likes that one too. She steals. But I thought this was lovely. And again, I really like those fonts. But very nice, but sort of sketchy. Sketchy as in it looks like it's been sketched, but kind of. You can see it on here. They're not sort of perfect, crisp, super crisp images. Delicate Whispers, which I believe is part of a suite. Again, just stunning in this sort of, yeah, kind of sketchy feel to it. I love it. A Rainbow of Thanks, because, you know, it's me and I like a rainbow. And what's very clever is these three brushes here will line up with the three different swoops of paint. I just love it. Love it. Paradise Garden, again part of a suite. I think I've got as much as I possibly could at the time of ordering. Very nice, great for layering and making single layer cards. Same with framed all around. I love this delicate outline. Very pretty. Again, I like the font very much, but this, great for making layered stamps, layered cards where you layer all the stamping on top of itself. Very good. And then I have a bundle here, Cutest Crew, because, you know, kitty cats. And the dogs are sweet, and so are the birds. And this is a bundle. So those are the shapes that go with it. And we've got additional bits as well. But look, the bird prints, the paw prints, and then butterflies. Just love that. I think that's delightful. And then Help Me Grow, which is a nice garden set. Now, years ago, I did have, well, actually, I bought it for my mum. It's a bit complicated. Bought it for my mum because she was very much into her gardening. A set of garden tools that had ditzy floral handles to them. So this kind of handle. And when they moved to their apartment, they do have a garden, but they don't have a garden. They have a beautiful terrace. Straight off their apartment, but there's no gardening required, so she gave them to her husband. So he now has pink floral handled gardening tools. Okay, right, and then I have got some papers here. Couldn't get all of them. So this is homemade sweetness paper and stickers, because you know me by now, I like stickers. And I was telling my son's girlfriend the other day, I like that Stampin' Up! Is bringing out products every couple of months because we can be reactionary. And if anybody was on social media, you saw that Starbucks brought out a drink cup with a bear on it. I like that. So we've got the jams and jars and jellies, and love lemon curd with a slightly plainer back. And then spoons with hearts. And then we've got these, can you see that? Those are little ladybirds. How sweet. Ladybirds and ditzy floral one side with gingham on the other. So very much picnicky sort of theme. And then more of this lovely tiny little flower image with checks on the back. And then smaller jams and jars with stripes, and then the fruit with the plain blue background. So those all go together. I love that with the stickers. You can buy them on their own. And this is called Garden Textures Speciality Foil in colours Berry Burst, Blueberry Bushel and Shaded Spruce. And it's a textured foil, which I'm not sure you're going to see. Maybe if you look sort of in the middle at the top, you can see the different textures. So we've got the 3 different colours there. Blueberry Bushel, I haven't used that colour in ages. Ooh, I should. Loving the Shaded Spruce. It's actually more emerald green in real life than it's showing on camera. But yeah, very nice. And if I've got it right, Garden Textures goes with this one, which is Garden Poetry, which is part of a suite. There are more papers that I will be ordering as soon as I can order. Put that in the bin. So we've got sort of the splush paint, and then this sort of two-tone. I don't know if you can see, so we have paler there and darker there. And then I'm going to say that's Poppy Parade. And then the Blueberry Bushel. And Shaded Spruce. I hope there's a yellow. And then we are covering, so there is, all aspects of the rainbow. And is this a rainbowy one at the back? No, it's blue into green. So Blueberry Bushel into Garden Green. And then finally, this is wood grain paper. So makes for a great background. So this is a speciality paper as well, looking at it. No, it's not. It says wood grain design series paper. Usually they're specialities when they come on this cardboard, but we've got, yeah, the different colours. So there's appears to be 3 of that one, 3 of this one. Oh no, yeah, they are different. 3 of that one and that one. 3 of this one and 3 of this one. So that is that, yeah, that's the same as that, but then that side is different. Oh, I'm confused. Yeah, so we've got basic beige with pecan pie and basic beige on the other side of it. No, because that's not basic beige, that's crumb cake. Anyway, we've got options. Let's just say that. There's lots of options. Okay, so that's all the bits and stuff I've got. They are available now. It is March. So these went live at the beginning of March. There are more papers, there are more dies, there are embellishments. Did I not order embellishments? And I don't recall which of these are the ribbons from it. So this is, it just says ribbon. Gold white ribbon, classic ribbon in basic beige, bordered open weave in Secret Sea, and variegated trim in grey granite. So those are the bits that I bought. So yeah, there are more. But like I say, at the time of ordering / filming, this was all I was able to get. So anyway, online exclusives, there's loads of them. I love them. I love them because there's no end date. There's no, they're there and we can bring them out quickly. And like I say, you know, we're reacting to, and these only went live in the UK towards the end of January. The Starbucks bear bottle. I didn't go looking for one. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me, and I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.